Now here's a little experiment for us. Just lit the fire. On top of the stove we have a discount supermarket type heater, or should I say stove heater, on the left, and the branded EcoFan on the right. Let's compare their startup times. With the fire being lit from cold, we're now 15 minutes in and neither of the fans as yet has started. Of course, normally the fans will be at the rear of the stove, but for this unscientific experiment I've drawn them both forward and tried to place them both in similar spots on the stove. So we're now just waiting. The EcoFan does seem to have a larger amount of fins on top. That's got to help surely with dissipation of the heat. Well, the Workforce one has got smaller fins and a smaller blade. 22 minutes in and the EcoFan has just started. No signs of movement yet from the Workforce fan. 26 minutes later, the Workforce fan has started to kick in. I think we can obviously see that the EcoFan has a bigger footprint. That's got to help its speed. But do they really move any air? I'm not sure. And for the purpose of this, don't try this at home, folks. We can see that the smoke is being blown forwards. Oops. So I think on this one it's a question of you pays your money and you takes your choice.